Hello guys, this video is about how to install Python on Windows 10. So let's start with going to the Google Chrome. Here type Python, click enter, and the first link which is there here, it is the official link of Python itself. So click on this link. And here you can see various options like about, downloads, documentation, community, success stories, news events. And to download the Python latest version, just hover on it, and you can see there are many options here. Come to the right side here, you will see download for Windows Python 3.10, which is the latest version of Python. So click on it. And here you can see the download has been completed. Let's install it. Double click on it. And here you can see this is the setup of Python. So you can set your installation path as you wish, and make sure you are checking this option to add Python 3.10 to path, because this is very important. Yeah, next we have to customize our installation. If you want to just customize where you want to install Python, let's do that step. What you have to do is just customize the installation. That means where the Python must be installed in your system. That is what it means. Customize installation. So let's move to the optional features. Would be same. You don't need to change anymore here. Next, and here you have to select where the Python must be installed. I'll select this PC, Windows C, users, and here GVHAR. Here I'm installing Python. Users GVHAR. Okay. Okay. Then install. Click yes. And here you can see the setup was successful. So let's go to the path where you have installed Python. Go to the File Explorer. Okay, this PC, Windows C, users, GVHAR, and here Python must be installed here. Yeah, here you can see Python has been installed. Yeah, here the Python has been installed. So let's test whether the Python is correctly installed in our local machine. Let's go to CMD and type Python -version. See, the Python latest version of Python has been installed in our local machine. So let's test and run a code. Let's open Python itself here. Python 3.10. This is what we have installed, right? Let's open this and type print Python has been successfully installed. Yeah, that is printing the output as Python has been successfully installed. So this is how you install a Python, and how this is how you configure the path, and this is how we run a Python Python print function. Yeah, thanks for watching.